What's going on, people? We're back. Feel the sky is in action. New Year's. We getting ready. This is my little pickup for it. Extremely last minute. I actually grabbed this morning. Yeah, that's pretty much all I'm gonna have. Not too much, but you know, I had to go ham on Christmas. I had to sacrifice a little fireworks. On New Year's, ain't no problem. Kids are nice and happy. The wifey's happy. Anyhow, so go get into what we got here. Nishiki Willow by Dominator. Grab two of them. Honey Badger Don't Care by World Class. Nice Grass. 20 shot 500 gram cake by Pyro High. And we have a Samurai Warrior by Dominator Fireworks. 15 shots. Says it's 500 gram maximum load, but I don't know. Looking more like 350, but whatever. Could be a good one. For the life of me, I cannot find a demo of it though. I mean, of course, there's this thing. But, so there's not one on YouTube. Your boy's gonna put one up there. That's right, your boy's gonna do this in a little bit. And then we have Cottonmouth. Two of them by Pyro High. 18 shots. 500 gram fan cake. And then over here I copped the Four Kings assortment by Dominator. And what is in that is Tiger, Phoenix, the Dragon, and the Terrapin. 4 or 500 gram cakes. Only costing me $100 for that. $25 for four. I mean, $25 per cake. Not bad at all. At least in my area. And then we have this thing right here. Fierce Fury, zipper cake with some breaks in it. Probably gonna see how I'm gonna mix this up with this thing right here. Quick little finale, you know. Neighbors get to shooting their guns, man. I gotta go inside. But anyhow, I hope everybody watching this video stays safe. And everybody, I hope we have a nice 2021. Feel the sky is